Guys, we're running. It's super windy. Open, Abby, open. Come on. Really? Weird. So guys, if you know why we're hiding is because it's like super cold and we want to go to the sun and the sun is not helping, so we're gonna go under the trampoline and see if that works. Okay, this is so dirty under here, Abby. Right? Let's go over here where there's sun.
Wait.
Oh, you okay? Okay, guys. There's super windy out here. It's not that cold. Come on, let's go. We gotta go find Angie. Angie has been lost. We don't know where she's at. We know she's somewhere here, but guys, somebody over there. Look, right there. Let's go see. I think they're vlogging, guys. Let's go check. That was a little bit too noisy. Hi. Guys, I thought you were lost.
Yeah, y'all lost?
I thought you were lost.
That you were trying to find me?
Yeah.
Oh,
What just broke?
look, I'm like,
Guys, it's gonna go. The wind is 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 gonna go. To the sun, this triangle. Triangle means, I don't want to say it. Means the headquarters. Project Circle's here.
guys. We are running away because a hacker is like following us, and we don't want no hackers to follow us. So that's why we're leaving. And as you saw, Angie, she kind of looks suspicious. If you review this video, like something, she was like suspicious about something. And I was like, does she have something in mind and she like looking for Project Virgo? That's why we wanna see her. And you heard that door open. Guys, come on, Abby. Let's look through this window. Yeah, apparently nothing there. Let's go see. Guys, she's making a video. Every time she makes a video, she's telling me that she didn't tell me. So that's why I'm suspicious about her. That's why I want to go away from her, because she looks suspicious. And look what I found. Let's go look what she was looking at. She was looking over here. Somewhere over here. So, come on, let's look. Where was it? Guys, she was looking somewhere here. But that's why we're trying to look for her. Oh goodness, she's right there. She's right there. She's right there. I'll go see. She's kind of suspicious. Okay, come on, let's go see. How's the
shout out.
The shout out of the month is Zazar.
Congratulations, Zazar, for sponsoring our video. So, thank you, Zazar. And yeah. Oh goodness, what the freak? Look, guys. Ew. It looks like a rat. It looks like a rat. Let's just go. Oh goodness, oh god.
What happened?
That's big. Oh goodness. Thank you, Zazar, for responsible with this video. We really appreciate it. You're the only one that has responsible with this video. You're responsible with this video for a month. So when January is over, you're not gonna be it. So sorry. Somebody else has to like, for they can get a shout out. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna take a break so that nobody can know that I'm here. So shh, he's so suspicious. I think he's working for Magic Circle.
Alright. Where's Alright? Alright. Alright. Right that you're filling in for my other channel, so you're gonna have that channel, right?
Huh?
You're gonna have that channel, right?
Uh-huh.
And I'm gonna have my own channel.
Because that's
So-
your phone now.
Right now, phone and say hi, everyone. So,
Wait, guys, look. So, Adi, put your hand up like this. No, get your camera, go like this. Go, get your camera like this. Now go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now, go right here.
me here.
It's like a mirror, I'm sure. So, guys. I do gotta tell you something. Secretly. So, I'm over here somewhere. I'm gonna hide somewhere. So, now let me tell you, guys. Oh goodness, they're gonna look right. Just looking for me. They're looking for me. They're looking for me. Let's go see. What does she want? Yes. Oh my god. So guys,
Hi, come here.
come on guys, we gotta say something. Let me tell you.
Huh?
Ugh.
Okay, so, guys, I want to give a shout out.
Thank you, Zazar, for sponsoring this video.
Yeah, Cesar is sponsoring all. He's a boy in my school.
Like, he's in my school too, but he's not in my grade. He's in...
He's in my
Let's go
class.
with the shade.
Laser has a crush on me.
Yeah. He told me, whereas Andy and I said, it's really none of your business. And he was like,
No way.
it actually is my business.
So, Cesar likes me, right? I don't like him back. But I do like him as my best friend.
As nobody knows, I gotta say something.
He has a crush on Dorian!
I swear. If Cesar sees this video, He might tell Dorian, so I can't let him see this video. So this is, please don't tell no one. Okay, go over here. I don't want Zizar to tell nobody that I have a crush on Dorian. We left Abby by herself. Let's go get her. So guys, I want to go get her, but I don't want Zezza to tell nobody that I have a crush on her. That's why I really don't want to make this video. Let's just tell people that I like Dorian. Dorian, as you hear the name. That's why I have to make this video for all my fans and Angie's. She will be making videos about this. So, let me show you.
Come here. Give me a hug. I already started.
I will give you a break. That's your break. And another break. So we're going to watch. I can sleepy. Bye guys. Sorry. This video ain't no gonna end. So yeah guys are gonna like be hanging here, I think, if you can fit.